So a lot of people use clay.com for personalized email outreach creation. So creating campaigns that are personalized. The messaging like this, for example, hey Kimberly, I see Prime Source Recruiting helps healthcare facilities find the right talent quickly. That's pretty cool. I wanted to share something I made. I created an email marketing automation tool that helps agencies like yours reach out to prospects. So you see, we have some personalization here, and then we've got some further level personalization with you'll get more meetings with healthcare facility managers and HR managers and clinic directors. So this is great because these are the above the line job titles that they're looking to book meetings with and speak to, and so it's a very personalized and relevant message, which is really what we're going for: relevant personalization. And if you look at other messages, it says, hey, I see you help construction firms hire top talent. That's crucial for their growth and success. I created an email marketing automation tool. It helps reach prospects and nurture candidates on autopilot. It gets you more meetings with general contractors and subcontractors, speeding up sales growth, um, so on and so forth. Uh, I see you're leading Mac projects, international connection talent with clients. That's a big deal. I know you target blue chip companies, so it's very much a personalized outreach messaging. And now for uh, basic level, and I would even say a little bit deeper level personalization, this is pretty good. And you may not have known this, but you can actually do this in Google Sheets, and that's what I want to show you how to do here. So you can actually do somewhat the same thing with Google Sheets. And here I've got a Google Sheet, and it's you can think of it just similar as a clay table. I've got the regular contact information here going on, and then we have their website. And then what I'm doing here is I'm scraping their website. So, for example, what it looks like here is I get some information about this particular company's website. So the Beachhead, they're best in class organizations. They connected with leading organizations, Toronto, and so it basically scrapes all the website copy for these prospects here. Global recruiters for Bentley County. So it's just scraping their website, which is really great. And then from there, we do a little prospect analysis. And what we do is basically, tell Chat GPT to do a little bit of analysis, and we tell it what kind of information we're looking for. So what I'm looking for here is use this prospect information that we have, like their job title and the company website copy, which we just scraped over here. And then I want you to output the um, the target segment that they're targeting, the above the line job titles that they'd like to speak to, any unique signals, and fill in the phrase, we can help you connect with target job titles about unique value to help them overcome challenges and get desired outcomes. And then I'm telling it what kind of tone to use. So basically, that's how we're generating the sort of prospect analysis portion. And it's just going to say chief information officer, chief technology officer. These are the people that they want to talk to, and some unique signals, and then what sector they operate and things like that. So some background information. Here, mid to large enterprises in the oil and gas energy sectors requiring project management support and temporary staffing for infrastructure projects, right? And they're looking to talk to operations managers, project human resource managers, safety compliance officers, etc. And so this is great because now we can, once we've scraped this information, we can actually utilize it in a messaging. So just like how we had it personalized over here in Clay, we can do the same in Sheets as well. And so what that messaging might look like is something here. It's quite as pretty, right? But if we kind of zoom in on it, we'll say, hey, Julian, Beachhead helps organizations in the banking and finance sectors find out top talent. I know sourcing ideal candidates is vital, especially with the recent layoffs in tech. Have you considered you? And by the way, where did it get recent layoffs in tech? Right here, layoffs in tech that may lead to increased hiring needs for these companies, right? Have you considered using targeted outreach to connect with CIOs and CTOs? We can help you reach key HR leaders to discuss their needs for skilled IT professionals. Plus, we only charge for booked meetings. Would you like to explore this? If not, I can share a tailored report with outreach strategies for your team. So, see how that's pretty well, quite similar. It's not the exact same messaging because we wrote the prompt a little bit differently, but the effect is essentially the same. We're calling out what they do, who they're looking to talk to, and what specific job roles. We're having this all automatically generated. Here's another one. Hudson Benelux excels in connecting with talent across sectors like healthcare and legal. I understand navigating talent management during growth or restructuring can be challenging. Have you considered targeted outreach to key HR roles in these industries? We can help you connect with chief HR officers and talent acquisition directors, right? So, once again, very, very pointed, driving better recruitment strategies and improving retention. So, speaking about the outcomes that they're looking to deliver for these folks. So, it really shows like a kind of a depth, in-depth knowledge of their business and what they're doing, and that's really the goal here with outreach messaging. And doing that in a small window, and then of course there's follow-up messages that we can generate as well. um, but I just wanted to show you how this can be done. So how is this done? So what we do is basically we go up here and we go to app script, and in the app script we're going to have various different modules, so to speak, in our app scripts. Now don't get all scared by this. This is just a it's just a copy and paste code, right? So basically we create an app script here that basically extracts focused content about the organization from the URL in that we specify in the column, right? And then it's gonna, it's just we paste that in, and then we can trigger that and pull that data directly in Google Sheets. Many people don't know this, that you can actually do this. And so you can go ahead and copy this, or if you want this, I don't have an email or any email list or anything like that to pitch at you. I'm still early in my career, so I don't have that set up. But if you want something like this, then reach out to me, and I'll be happy to just share it to you, send it over to you. And then we have custom GPT scripts. So this is how do you actually generate the messages. So once we pulled the website information, now we need an AI to basically generate the messaging. Um, so how do we do that? Well, you need to have a basic script in here, and basically I'm choosing a model rather, and it's a GPT model. So I'll have to cut out my API key here, which I'll do in post. But I'm providing a system prompt as well, so that the AI knows what type of it has context. It has a character, and it has the type of context needed to actually do that. And as you can see here, it's a very small script. It's not very well, not very small, but it's not that large. Don't get scared by it. Um, and so that's basically how we're doing it. It's really that straightforward, and that's how. If you didn't know, you can start generating messages. I'm still working on this one, but you can do what you normally do here in Clay. You can also do it in Google Sheets, which is pretty awesome, right? Because you can save on credits, and you can basically save on costs, right? Because that's really the nice thing about Clay. It lets you personalize at scale very, very easily. Well, this way kind of lets you do it quite easily as well. And you just need a little bit of prompt engineering skills, and you need to be able to paste some app scripts in there to get it started. So that's kind of how it works. Of course, Clay is, I believe, 140 or $150 a month subscription to be able to do this. Whereas Google Sheets is totally free. Like this, uh, well, it's not totally free because whatever messages we're generating here cost tokens because of the GPT-4. But if you're talking about the website content scraping, that's totally free. If you're talking about prospect analysis, that is totally free. This Getting this content here, this proprietary content, if you will, or it's really public content, but scraping it is would be expensive. But it's actually free with these scripts here. So I'm happy to share those with you. If you want, let me know. Reach out to me, and yeah, hope you got some value from this video. Hope this helps you. Thanks so much. Sure. Bye bye.